Alright, I'm Tyler Kelly, and I'm going to do the HACH Spectrophotometer. And the first step is we're going to grab the correct sample cells out of the package. Going to grab 2 of them because we're going to do a 0, and we're going to use one for our sample. We're going to take them over and clean them with distilled water. Clean. I'm going to fill a 400 milliliter beaker up with tap water. I'm going to triple rinse it to make sure there's no leftover contamination. Yeah. Now we have a sample. We're going to now go onto the HACH, and we're going to click HACH Programs. Let that load up. We're going to find program number 125, which is apparent color, with the limit being 500 units. We're going to click Start once we found that program. Now we're going to take one of our sample cells and fill it up with 10 milliliters of distilled water. Perfect. We are going to take a Kim wipe before we zero this sample. We're going to very thoroughly clean our vial. Clean. I'm going to open up the HACH and stick the sample into the reader, closing the lid, and we're going to click 0. I'm going to give it a minute to 0. And I got a 0 units. Perfect. We're going to pull out the vial. We're going to close the lid. And now we're going to take our cleaned with distilled water sample cell and fill it up with our tap water. Perfect.
That was good.
Again, we're going to take a Kim wipe and very thoroughly wipe. Okay, perfect. We're going to open the lid. We're going to stick the sample cell to the reader, close the lid, and we're going to click read. To give it a minute to read. The units for this is platinum cobalt. And the unit we got was 26 platinum cobalt units. So we can now record that and take our sample out. Now we can empty out our sample cells. Clean them with distilled water. Perfect. Now we can put them back into their case. We can now power off our HACH meter, unplug it, and put it back into its case. And that's how you do apparent color with the HACH Spectrophotometer.